Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The molecule contains AC is equal to ONH linkage, which is an amide. The parent chain is named as an amide, ending amide. Moving on to the next step. Identify the longest carbon chain containing the carbonyl carbon on the acid side, N side excluded. Starting from the carbonyl carbon, C1 is equal to O, C2H to C3H, Cl, C4H, cyclopropyl, CH3. The chain has 5 carbons if we include C5 as the methyl on C4 pentanamide. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain from the carbonyl carbon, C1. C1 is equal to carbonyl carbon, C2 is equal to CH2, C3 is equal to CHCl, C4 is equal to CH, cyclopropyl, C5 is equal to CH3, methyl branch on C4 makes this part of the main chain as pentanamide. And for the final step, identify substituents on the main chain. At C3, chloro substituent. At C4, cyclopropyl substituent. This gives 3-chloro-4-cyclopropyl pentanamide as the acid portion. Identify the substituent on nitrogen. The nitrogen bears a CH, CH3, CH2 cyclopentyl group. The longest chain from N, NCH, CH3, CH2 cyclopentyl. The carbon attached to N is C1 bearing a methyl and CH2 cyclopentyl. This is a 2-cyclopentyl propyl group, propyl chain, C1, C2, C3 where C2 is the cyclopentyl bearing carbon. Re-examining NCH, CH3, CH2 cyclopentyl means the chain is propyl with cyclopentyl at C2 from the end, so it is 2-cyclopentyl propyl with the point of attachment at C1. Assign N locant. The substituent on N is N,2-cyclopentyl propyl. Combine. The full IUPAC name is 3-chloro-N,2-cyclopentyl propyl, 4-cyclopropyl pentanamide. Therefore, the correct answer is 3-chloro-N,2-cyclopentyl propyl, 4-cyclopropyl pentanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.